Investment. God has been speaking to me about investments this season. As I was cleaning up after the gym, I was in the shower thinking about, what if somebody asked me the question of, what has God been teaching you this season? And the one answer that I have for that question is, God's been teaching me about investment. How to invest my money in different areas, whether it's giving it back to God, right? Whether it's buying things for people, putting money aside to actually help folks that are going through troubles. He's teaching me that everything that he's given me is not mine. I don't own anything, even my time. There's a time that I need to spend to give to others, to listen, to love others. There's a time that I need to dedicate to work. I got to make income for my family, for myself, to take care of things, bills, and to give to others and to give back to God. There's a time that I need to work out, take care of my health. There's a time for that. Even if it's 15, 30 minutes a day, there's a time. That's an investment. And if I invest in my body, I'm going to be able to do what God is calling me to do. I'm going to be able to be ready. I'm not going to be sick. There's a time to invest in eating the right foods. We don't have to eat junk food all the time. We can really enjoy a salad. Lately, God's been allowing me to enjoy fruits, grapes, oranges. Salads taste so freaking... I've never tasted salad like this in my life. Salad tastes so good. Green smoothies have always tasted good, but there's a time to eat right. You know what I mean? There's a time. There's a time that I need to invest in speaking to you all and speaking on this platform, even if it's not 30-minute videos. I think many times I want to do like great videos, beautiful ideas, extravagant videos, and it's all great, but when I try to do those things and my life gets cluttered, it makes me disappear. And I don't want to disappear from this platform. And I was sending the information of this platform to a phenomenal woman that I met at church the other day named Kelly, who's going to be a coach. Now she works in youth ministry, phenomenal with the kids, amazing woman of God. And I remember sending my links to her and telling her how I had over 400 videos on this platform. And I thought to myself, I don't want to get complacent. Like, that's a cute number, but it's not about the number. It's just about the level of consistency that I've dedicated on this platform to speaking to you. And I got to get out of my head about wanting to make ultimately the most creative videos when this video is really a speaking platform. It's a mic. So it's called Jaja's Mic. It's a place for me to speak, but also to give the mic away to other people, other leaders that have been on this platform. And I'm going to get better at this as I continue to maneuver forward. I just had to get a reality check because I'm at the gym and I'm investing this time that I've been investing lately, and I feel good. I feel phenomenal. It don't take an hour, 3 hours. It just takes the discipline. And investments are discipline. Being able to get money and allocate them in specific areas, it's an investment. Invest in your time. God gives us all the same amount of financial time. How do we invest it? What do we do with it? So God is teaching me about investments today. That's what the Holy Spirit is revealing to me, and it's a beautiful thing. It's beautiful.